Hello, my name is Andrew, and I'm a student of Tsem Rinpoche. I've been in the Ladrang for 3 years now, and basically it's been an interesting experience. The blog for me is a very interesting tool whereby it not only is a platform to share information to the outside world via Rinpoche's teachings and Rinpoche's likes and don't likes. What is interesting about the blog is it's very varied in terms of its information. And what I particularly like about the blog is the animal and vegetarianism, category. And as a dog lover, I have 6 dogs, and I find that most interesting because there's a lot of information about animals. There's a lot of information about being a vegetarian. There are recipes. There are also causes that we can sort of get involved in. So on a whole, the blog consists of many different aspects. It's also, apart from the animal aspect, it's also got stuff on paranormal. It's also got things on, fashion even. It's got videos, it's got fun stuff, it's got jokes, it's got serious things on students, serious things on serious issues. It's got even very dharmic stuff like prayers and how to do certain sadhanas, and also hundreds and hundreds of hours of Rinpoche's teachings. So being in the Ladrang, this blog is a great tool for us because it's like a one-stop shop whereby if we need to share Rinpoche's teachings or share who Rinpoche is, we can automatically use this blog. So this blog on a whole is a exceptional tool whereby it goes on a automatic, information stand, so to speak. So, for example, if I'm out with my friends, I can just flip open my laptop, go to a certain category that I think my friends would like, and share that with them. And most of the time, they'll be very amazed at the fact that this blog is actually a blog of a Tibetan High Lama. So it always creates a point of conversation, and I think that's important because apart from Rinpoche being who he is, he needs to also reach out to people. And this blog, I feel, is very important because that's the bridge, so to speak, to people, to Rinpoche. On that note, I do hope that every one of you that's seeing this video of me right now will go to the blog. The blog's actually blog.tsemtuku.com. That's blog.tsemtulku.com. So hope to see you there. Oh, by the way, there's also a blog chat. So do go, and I'll probably see you on chat. Take care. Bye.